Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will assist you in understanding the period feature in TimeOrder Multi-Condition and its impact on backtesting results. Period is a functional option within TimeOrder Multi-Condition, and it refers to when multiple conditions need to occur in sequence, with the number of trading days between them falling within the specified range. For example, if you select two conditions in TimeOrder and set the period to 8, both of these conditions need to be met in sequence over 8 consecutive trading days to trigger a trading signal. Now, let's move on to the form section. Find the backtest for which you want to set the period and click on the Edit Backtest icon to modify the parameters. In the Parameter Settings interface, locate the Period option. In the default setting, the period feature is in the unclicked state. You need to click on Use Time Period Limit, and then you can specify the trading day range in the input box. Now, let's set it to 8. Next, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. Let's compare the results with the backtest where period is not clicked. These two backtests have the same parameters. Upon closer examination of the summary data, it becomes evident that when setting the period to 8 in the backtest, as conditions need to be met in sequence over 8 trading days, the frequency of trades may decrease, and data could correspondingly change. When analyzing individual trades, we can observe that in the backtest without setting a period, a trade occurred on March 11, 2009. However, in the backtest with a period set to 8, no trade was triggered. The chart clearly shows that the first condition was met on February 26, but the second condition was only satisfied on March 11, with a 9 trading day gap in between, resulting in no trade being triggered. Therefore, when selecting conditions in TimeOrder Multi-Condition, you can choose whether to use the period feature based on different strategies and objectives. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on how to grasp and utilize the period feature. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.